feel something inside falling so still. All of the noise just gives way. Inside our heads we're so far away. And you take me to some other place when you hold me. And you are living proof of some other place when you
It's our wedding song.
Turned off the lights from the hall. We laid outside in the snow. Fall 20 degrees with no coat was the warmest I'd felt, and I don't know. And you take me to some other place when you hold me. And you are living proof of some other place when you hold me.
Are you ready?
That
You look really good. They told me that you were looking mighty handsome. You
I love it.
good. Thanks. Did you expect it?
No,
No. Guess what the dress is called?
I don't know.
Louis.
Nah.
That's the name. Yeah. Dead serious. The dress is Louis. I love you.
I love you.
You take me to some other place when you hold me. And you are living proof of some other place when you hold me.
Laura, I can't believe it's almost been 2.5 years since that fateful night when I created a Bumble profile after having won too many whiskeys. As you know, I say all the time, I'm not the most eloquent writer or the greatest with words. So I stole a few lines from some of my favorite songs that I listen to when I think of you.
Oh.
Let her arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing you'll ever have. Take my hand. Let me make you mine. I'm through waiting, taking my time. Never felt like this before. Take my name and make it yours. I vow to love you with everything I have forever. One last quote. Still falling for you. Still falling for you. And just like that, all I breathe, all I feel, you are all for me. I'm in. I love you so damn much.
Troy, the love of my life. I could not believe our big day is here, and without a doubt, the most special day of my life. I would have never expected 849 days ago that my life would completely change and I would meet my very best friend. I promise to never stop pursuing you because you're the only person that I want. And I promise to grow old with you and reminisce on all of our amazing life memories on our front porch in our rocking chairs. I am so excited for the rest of our life together because the life that we've had so far has been nothing short of incredible. Thank you for choosing me. You are my forever, and I love you more.
north wind leads you to some distant shore. May you always find what you're looking for. In the highs and in the lows, moving fast or moving slow. May your roads be filled with light, and may peace be by your side. In the highs.
Troy, place the ring on Laura's finger and repeat after me.
I give you this ring, wear it with love and joy. As this ring has no end, my love is also forever.
Laura, place the ring on Troy's finger and repeat after me.
I give you this ring, wear it with love and joy. As this ring has no end, my love is also forever.
It is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. Troy, you may now kiss your bride. I am pleased to present the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Troy and Laura Wick.
Hardly breathe. Oh, I could never want it any other way. If you had a reason that'll make you stay, we could go out, my baby. With you, it's kinda different and it's not insane, but I could be a plan every Saturday. We should go out, my baby.
A couple years ago, Troy was looking to find someone and he asked me for dating advice. All I could think of telling him was to find someone younger, smarter, and better looking than you. Troy obviously listened, and this is where Laura enters the story. She truly brings out the best in Troy. These two are meant to be together, and tonight is just the beginning of a wonderful journey. I'd like to raise a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Wick. Cheers.
It's fair to say that Laura and I have been excited about this day since the late 1990s. My best friend and almost Irish twin, you have found the love of your life. I'm so happy for you too. Raise your glasses for Mr. and Mrs. Troy and Laura Wick. Woo! Love you guys.
Troy, I'm so happy that you guys are together, and I want to toast to a happy union, to your greatest joys, to you, the best.
Laura, you bring out the absolute best in our boy, and I've never seen him happier. From a swipe of a finger, to a walk across a lake, to a walk down the aisle, you guys are the perfect couple, and I love you both. Cheers.